In fields of green, where sunlight spills, amidst the golden, rolling hills. A humble grain, so small, so grand, the millet thrives in fertile land. From ancient times, it's been our friend, a staple on which many depend. With grains so tiny, yet so strong, it feeds the weak and the strong along. In diverse forms, it takes its place, on every table, in every space. Pearl millet, foxtail, finger, and more, a bounty of grains, we adore. Nutrient-packed, a healthful delight, millets shine in morning and night. Fiber, protein, vitamins too, they nourish us through and through. From porridge warm to crispy bread, millets in cuisine, a wide thread. Dosas, rotis, upmas so fine, a taste of tradition, a taste divine. In arid lands, where water's scarce, millets thrive, a gift so rare. They are hardy, resilient, and bold, a crop that sustains a story untold. Farmers toil beneath the sun, their labor, a battle they have won. With millets in their seasoned hands, they cultivate their ancestral lands. So let us honor this grain so old, a treasure of nature, a story untold. In the kitchen, on our plate, millets nourish, they truly great. From field to fork, let's celebrate the humble millet, its fate. For in its grains, we find the key to health, to sustenance, to harmony.